Ukraine's drone forces employ a strategy of deploying numerous drones in each assault, aiming for the comprehensive destruction or severe impairment of targeted systems. The aftermath of successive attacks provides insights into the effectiveness of strikes where surveillance drones were absent, showcasing the anticipated outcomes. Utilizing shape-charge warheads, the drones skillfully penetrate systems, often initiating internal fires. This coordinated effort extends beyond conventional targets to include supply trucks, armored vehicles, and SAM systems, all of which lack sufficient armor to withstand the relentless onslaught. As a result, this strategic approach significantly reduces the operational equipment available for the subsequent day, underscoring Ukraine's dedication to diminishing the enemy's capabilities through persistent and precision-focused drone operations.